Good morning, student. Today we start exercise explanatory from question number 18. Question number 18 is the end points of the line segment AB are A comma B, and B comma A, where A and B both are positive. In what ratio AB is divided by axis? First we have point A and B, which coordinate are A comma B and B comma A. X1 is A, Y1 is B, X2 is B, Y2 is A. We find M1 ratio M2 for both axes. For x-axis, y coordinate is 0, y coordinates is M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 upon M1 plus M2 is equal to 0. Now we put the value of Y2 and Y1. M1 plus M2 multiplied by 0, it's make 0. Then AM1 plus BM2 is equal to 0. Then AM1 equal to minus BM2. M1 upon M2 equal to minus B upon A. Minus sign so that this is divided externally the axis. M1 ratio M2 B is to A externally. As for y-axis, x coordinate is 0. The formula of x coordinate M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2 is equal to 0. Put the value of x2 B and x1 A. Then we have B M1 plus A M2 is equal to 0. B M1 equal to minus A M2. M1 upon M2 equal to minus A upon B. M1 ratio M2 A is to B, which is also externally divide the line. The next question of find the medians of triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. In solution, we have a triangle ABC whose vertices 0, -1, 2, 1, 0, 3. We find the length of its median. We have three medians of any triangle. First AD, second BE, then third is CF. First we find the midpoint of all sides. First BC, then CA and then AB. D is the midpoint of BC. We have the formula of midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. On this way we find the midpoint of BC. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. We let point B x1 y1 and point C x2 y2. Then x1 plus x2 0 plus 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. So 1, 2. D is 1, 2. Now we have 2 points A and D, 1, 2. Now we find the distance between point A and D. We find the length of median AD. AD equal to root x1 minus x2 whole of square, y1 minus y2 whole of square. Then 1 is minus 0, 1 square equal to 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 square is 9. 1 plus 9 equal to root 10 units. The length of AD is root 10 units. On this way we find the midpoint of side AB. We let point C is x1 y1 and point A is x2 y2. Then we put x1 plus x2 means 0 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. 0, 1 is the 0, minus 1. Now we find the B. We let B is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2, and we find the distance between point B, E. A 0, 1. Now we have 2 minus 0 whole of square, 1 minus 1 whole of square. 1 minus 1 0 square, 0. 2 minus 0 2 square, 4. Then we have 2 units. The length of median B is 2 units. Now we find the midpoint of AB. We let A is x1 y1 and D is x2 y2. Then we have 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2. Then we have 1, 0. Then we find f1, 0. Now we find the distance between point C and F. We will find the length of median CF. CF equal to 0 minus 1 whole of square plus 3 minus 0 whole of square equal to root 1 plus 9, which is root 10 units. CF is root 10 units. On this way we find the all medians of triangle root 10 units, 2 units and root 10 units. Now we see the next questions. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. Prove that AB square plus CA square is equal to 2 AD square plus BC square. First we have a triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of BC. In this question we let the R vertex of triangle. We let vertex A is A, 0, D is 0 comma 0 and C is 0 comma B. Then A equal to A comma 0, B equal to 0 comma 0, C equal to 0 comma B. Now we find the midpoint of DC. D equal to 0 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus B by 2. Then D equal to 0 plus B by 2. The coordinate of D is 0 comma B by 2. 0 comma B by 2. Now we find the distance between A to B means AB. AB equal to A minus 0 whole up square plus 0 minus 0 whole up square. Then we have A square. AB equal to A units. Then AB square equal to A square. Now we find CA. CA equal to 0 minus A whole up square, B minus 0 whole up square. Then CA equal to root A square plus B square. On this way CA square equal to A square plus B square. Next we find AD equal to root A minus 0 whole up square, 0 minus 0 whole up square. Then A square plus B square upon 4. Now taking square, AD square equal to A square plus B square upon 4. Now find BC equal to 0 minus 0 whole up square, B minus B by 2 whole up square, which is equal to 0 plus B upon 2 whole up square. Then DC square equal to B square upon 4. Now all these values put on the given statement. AB square, CA square, AD square and DC square. AB square equal to A square, CA square equal to A square plus B square. Then we have 2A square plus B square. Now AD A square plus B square by 4 and DC is B square by 4. Now multiply by 2, 2A square plus 2, 4 cancelled by 2, then we have B square by 2 and B square by 2. B square by 2, B square by 2 equal to B square. Then we have 2A square plus B square. We started left hand side equal to right hand side. On this way this question are proved. All students do the homework. Thank you. Good day.